Here's a GoPro Hero 10 Black. I'm going to show you how to view and replay videos and photos, okay? Very simple. Now, it doesn't matter what mode you're in, okay? You can be in video, photo, or time-lapse, it doesn't matter. One thing you got to do is to view your photos and videos, just from the bottom of the screen, just slide up, okay? And that last one, the last video or photo you took is going to be the first one, okay? And then you can go ahead and start sliding to the left. You also have this icon up here on the top right hand side. If I tap on that, oops, right there you can see a bunch of your photos and videos. You know that they're videos because you see like a little timer on there, okay? And then also, even if you go ahead and so just remember, all you got to do is, let me go back here, remember, all you got to do is to view photos and videos, just swipe up from the screen like that. And then, you know, you can, even the videos here, you can go ahead and fast forward these. You can tap on that down here and you can fast forward and whatnot as well. You can go ahead and delete your photos and videos from here as well. So pretty simple.